Hey guys, it's Lisa. So today we're going to a trip in Bataan. So hindi ko alam yung resort. So I'm here with my sister. Kasi it was her birthday. So happy birthday to her. I cannot flashback it because I don't do some videos, but I have some pictures I'm gonna show it to you later. So we're just gonna do quite of this intro because my phone is so bad. And first, let's go see my outfit. This is my outfit. So it's already 10 o'clock and we're late there, but it's okay, it's on 11 o'clock. And guys, we're gonna see there if my phone, my mom's phone, I use my mom's phone, is already full charge. I will see you there. Bye bye. We're going to Bataan. This is part 1 if I can do part 2. Bye bye. Now we're here. So hindi po ako nakapag-vlog since lupat na po yung phone. So yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the first room. So ito yung first room. Excuse me. May mga madam na picture dito. My lolas. So dark. So I open the light. This is the TV with that one. Hindi ko alam. Ito yung kitchen. Hindi ko alam. And we have... Ay! Na-broken hearted. Yan. May swan tayo na nagkikiss. Ayan. Sa room tayo. So, ayan. Di ako nakapag-vlog kasi, tsaka, haba ng biyahe mga 3 hours. Mga ganun. So, muna tayo. So, ayan. Mag-rest na ng konti before swimming. So, ayan. Kukunin ko yung isa ko pang gamit. Let's go. Ito pala yan. And before we go see our things, let's go to other room. Villa number 2. Ay, walang aircon ang villa number 2. Flower ang villa number 2. Ayan, ito yung villa number 2 namin. Pares lang din, pero dalawa yung kama.
Picture ba ako dito? Ako lang.
Oh, sige. Asan siya phone mo?
Diyan na!
Oh, sige. Wait lang guys, pipicturean ko muna siya. Bye, see you. Wait lang! Ayan, pinicturean na ako ang aking yayay. Kasi may inaayos sa kabila. So, di ko alam kung saan tayo mag-swimming today. Wait lang. Saan tayo sa swim? Okay, wait lang. Punta tayo doon. Ito yung pool. So, mamaya na tayo dun. Baka kasi hanapan lang ng parents ko. So, ito yung inaayos dun sa kabila. Kaya, guys, focus. Init dito. So, short vlog lang kasi mag-start soon ako. So, short lang. So, we have a part 2 tomorrow. So, kaya wag kayong mag-alala. May part 2 po tayo, okay? Don't worry. Don't you worry. Okay, guys? Yes, don't worry na po. This is the ending of the vlog. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow for part 2. Bye-bye. Bye. Ano ba to? Wait. 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye.